Hey there, frustrated because you're unable to send money through Apple Pay? You're not alone. This week, we're going to dive into how to fix not being able to send money on Apple Pay and get you back on track. Apple Pay is a secure and convenient way to transfer money, but sometimes unexpected issues can arise. We'll explore common problems and provide step-by-step solutions to ensure your transactions go through smooth. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before you panic, let's start with fundamentals. Apple Pay requires a stable internet connection to function effectively. Double check that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Restart your router or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if this resolves the issue. Sometimes a simple reconnection can make all the difference. Step 2. Ensure your device is updated. Running outdated software might be the culprit. Make sure your iOS is up to date, as Apple regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve performance. Head to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. After updating, try sending money again to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Verify Apple Pay settings. Open your Wallet app and double-check your Apple Pay settings. Ensure that your Apple Cash card is activated for sending and receiving money. If not, tap on the card and follow the prompts to set it up. Additionally, verify that your personal information, such as name and address, is accurately entered under your Apple ID. Step 4. Confirm payment method. A valid payment method is essential for Apple Pay transactions. Confirm that the added debit or credit card in your Apple Wallet is current and accurately entered. If there's an issue with the card, try removing it and re-adding it to your wallet. Also, ensure that your card issuing bank hasn't flagged the transaction, as this can prevent payments from going through. Step 5. Sign out and back in to Apple ID. Sometimes simply signing out of your Apple ID and back in can resolve connectivity issues. Go to Settings, your name, Sign Out. After signing out, restart your device and sign back in. This process can refresh your account settings and possibly fix any underlying issue. Step 6. Review transaction limits and daily usage. Apple Pay, as well as your bank, may impose limits on transaction amounts and daily usage. Check these limits in the Wallet app under your Apple Cash Card details and consult with your bank for any additional restrictions. If you've exceeded these limits, you might need to wait for the next day or contact your bank for options. Step 7. Contact Apple Support. If you've tried all the steps above and still face challenges, reaching out to Apple Support is your next best move. They can provide specific assistance tailored to your situation. Visit the Apple Support website or use the Apple Support app to chat with a representative who can guide you through. Dealing with payment issues can be frustrating, but following this comprehensive guide on how to fix not being able to send money on Apple Pay should help you identify and resolve the problem. Remember to regularly update your device, ensure your payment methods are valid, and check for any limits imposed by Apple Pay or your bank. By staying informed and proactive, you can enjoy seamless transactions and all the conveniences Apple Pay has to offer. Happy transacting!